In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can block all unknown numbers in your WhatsApp. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now, let's begin. So, the first step is open up your WhatsApp and on the bottom right, tap on Settings. After you do that, scroll down till you find Account. Go to Account and there you will see Security Notifications. Navigate there and toggle this button on. Now after you do this, go back to the settings and under settings you will see privacy. Go to privacy and there you will see a lot of options. Now here, make sure that you select your contacts in each and every one of these. Now do that for all of these. Now you need to do this to the groups too. And status. So as you can see, all of my privacy settings have been set to my contacts. Now after you do that, you will see that only people from your contact will be able to contact you on your WhatsApp. So that is pretty much it, guys. That is how you block all unknown numbers in WhatsApp. Thank you for watching. That is all for today's video. Bye bye, take care.